That's how easy it is to start your meeting. And look how simple it is for your colleagues to join in. Everyone is here. Let's get started. Just dial into the telephone conference or use voice over IP. And this is how you get to know each other personally. At the same time, you can send messages whenever you want. It's so easy to work together and work jointly on the same documents.
Your options for managing a Netviewer session. Change viewing direction, remote control, or co-moderation. Participants will see a list of all dialogue partners and session participants in the session tray. The moderator begins in show mode. That means all session participants will initially see the moderator screen. Each participant can inform other session participants about his or her mood or a certain status. Just click the arrow next to your name and choose the emoticon you want. Everyone else will see that emoticon. You can block your session to prevent additional participants from entering. To do so, click on the upper right-hand button. To transfer moderation rights to a participant, simply drag and drop the name of the participant into the moderator window in the session tray. You can also set a new moderator using the drop-down menu in the participant list. To revoke co-moderation rights, simply drag the participant back into the participant list. You can grant the right to transmit a screen to other session participants the same way. Select the session partner who will display his screen from the drop-down menu. The remote control function allows you to control another participant's computer using mouse and keyboard commands. You can grant remote control rights by using the drop-down menu. As soon as the remote control participant approves his own computer, remote control can begin. To remove a participant from the session, click Remove next to his or her name in the drop-down menu. The participant's Netviewer session will close. Determining screen contents, showing information, sharing it with others, and making it available. You decide which screen contents other participants get to see and which remain hidden. The application selection tray lets you determine what your session partners can see. Your open applications are listed in the upper area. You can select general screen transmission options in the lower section. Check the applications and contents you want to send. Remove the check to prevent sharing them with other participants. The monitor tray always lets you know exactly what your session partners can see on your screen. You can pause the transmission of your screen at any time. A pause button lets you switch to a frozen image. Your screen contents are frozen on your session partner's page. Re-clicking the play button allows your current screen, including any changes, to be transmitted once again. Exchange files with your session partners using the File Transfer tray in the control panel. Use the buttons to select files or simply drag and drop them into the window. You can record the entire session and watch it again later, including video and speech data. Start recording with a click of the mouse. Pause and restart recording whenever you want. Save your sessions by ending recording. Use NetPlayer to comfortably view archived sessions. Your communication options: audio, video, voice over IP, and chat. Your Netviewer Meet session allows you to simultaneously hold an audio conference. You'll find information on dial-in numbers and rates in the audio conference tray in the Netviewer control panel. Select the conference number and follow the prompt's instructions. The PIN for dialing into the audio conference is the same as your Netviewer Meet session number. You can also take advantage of the integrated Voice over IP feature. Use the internet to make phone calls. Click On in the Voice over IP tray to transmit your audio signal. Adjust the recording and playback volume using the two controllers, or open the menu in the tray below. Multimedia settings allows you to configure your audio and video settings for Voice over IP and video transmission. Select Video to choose a movie, image, or your webcam's current video display. Click Audio to select your output device and microphone. You can also make a test recording to check your multimedia components. You can activate your own video transmission with the Video and My Video features. If you don't have a webcam, you can select an image, photo, or another video instead. You can turn transmission on or off at any time, or select a different video source. The chat feature lets you send written messages during the session. Enter your message, select the recipient or recipients from the drop-down menu, then click Send or hit Enter on your keyboard to send the message. You can track all your messages in the chat history. Working as a team, jointly editing documents and performing surveys. The pointer lets you call other participants' attention to a certain part of the displayed screen, such as an incorrect figure in an equation. You don't need any remote control rights. Just click in the Netviewer window. All session partners can now see the pointer with your name. The whiteboard function allows you to add drawings and marks to the screen. You can use different tools to draw and mark on the screen. Each participant has his or her own color. There are two options. Screenshot mode freezes the screen. In live mode, screen transmission continues. The survey function allows you to create spontaneous ad hoc surveys and questionnaires. During your session, you can perform general or specific surveys, test training contents, or request direct feedback on a session. Participants receive the survey directly. As soon as everyone has responded, the survey ends, and you automatically receive the results for analysis.